Oh, you masters of war, you make the big guns, you make the dead planes, you make all the guns, you hide behind walls, you hide behind theirs. I just want you to know I can see through your eyes. I'll hope you die, and your death will come soon. I will follow your casket in the pale afternoon, and I'll watch when you lower down into your deathbed.